Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students and my dear viewers. Nagasaki, August 1945, model essay number 5, written by Ichimaru. So this chapter, Nagasaki, August 1945, is about the atom bomb destructions in Second World War. Americans dropped an atom bomb in the city of Japan, Nagasaki, and this essay tells us about that destructive and horrible, destruction of that time. So the writer of this essay, the essayist Ichimaru, was a student of first year in medical college in Nagasaki. He was going to start to his college, and when he learned at the railway station that the trains are blocked, so he came back home and he was sitting in his room with his class fellows. Suddenly he heard a very, bombastic noise that was unbelievable for him and his class fellows, that what type of noise it is. So they quickly ran into downstairs in the basement, and they hid themselves there in the washroom. So when he came out after some time, he saw that everything was totally destroyed. The skeleton of the building were left. So the glass of the windows has been broken, and there was a cut on his forehead and shoulder that was bleeding, and his friends were also, bleeding. So it was a very strange scene for his friends and for the writer. So he was an eyewitness of this destruction. He, by hook or by crook, tries to come out of the home and see that the dead bodies were scattered everywhere, and the leaves of the trees have been disappeared, and the people were crying for the help, and the peoples were dying on the roads. They had their cloth has blown out, so shreds of their cloth were hanging on their body, and the blood was coming from their skins, and they were running for the help. They were demanding for water. So it was just like a unbelievable destruction over there, that our assist is an eyewitness of that. So he tries to help the survivors. He starts helping to the people with survivors. He was also one of the survivors. So they started to collect the dead bodies and try to bury them, but unfortunately there was no place for so many dead bodies to bury them anywhere. So they collected the dead bodies and piles of wood over there, and they burned all the dead bodies. So my God, oh my God. So this, who did it? Americans did it in Second World War, at the end of the Second World War. So our writer essayist next day went to his school. He saw that buildings, the skeleton of the building was left over there. There was no wall. Dead bodies were scattering on the road. Dead bodies were scattered and spreaded over the roads, in the streets, at the bus stops, at the railway stations, and animals' dead bodies were also boiling with fire on the roads. This was also the scene over there. So our essayist Ichio Mario described this destruction uh, with a purpose. The purpose was that the Americans got superiority to throw the atom bomb over Japan, and this throwing of atom bomb in Japan proves that America wants to be great, and he wants to show that he is great. So the this essay also tells us that the superpowers of this world, the advanced countries in this world, so they do not hesitate to take serious actions against human beings. So this action of America was, irrational. It has no logic, It was just the sickness of mind of the Americans. So and they did this horrible, drastic, lethal act against, basically against humanity. So they killed humanity with this bomb, with this jealousy with the Japanese. So our assist basically request from the international community, most probably from the UNO, that the advanced countries and superpower countries and powerful countries should sit together and they should decide that this atom bomb will never be used again, no matter what happened in this world. But this weapon, they should prepare a treaty agreement that this weapon will never be used again for humanity, anytime, anywhere, in any situation. So then, at last, our writer says those who died in this atomic, attack, the souls of those dead peoples will be peaceful in heaven if human beings decide not to use these weapons again. Thank you very much. Important question. Destruction scene of this essay is an important question. Subscribe my channel, my dears. Inshallah, see you next time with next chapter with next details. Allah.